One tool I want to talk a little bit about, because I think it really relates to a lot of stuff we're talking about, is WorkerB. For anyone who doesn't know, what is WorkerB?
WorkerB is something we built in LinearB that is not looking at the metrics level, but looking at the same problems, but from a developer perspective. So my favorite two use cases are that, so WorkerB is a bot that can live on your Slack or Microsoft Teams or whatever like collaboration tool you use. It can live on your Git interface as a web extension, whether you use GitHub or whatever you use. And it can very soon also be in your IDE, which is amazing because this is where I spend as a developer 80% of my time. And what WorkerB does is basically here to help me as a developer to get my code merged faster. So one classic use case is I'm issuing a PR. It's rather small because, I read everything around Dora and I'm educated and I'm trying to like work in small PRs. What WorkerB will do for me, it will help me promote this. It will find a good reviewer and it will also say, hey, you know what? It only takes 1 minute or 2 minutes like to review this PR. Now, if I'm the reviewer of that, it's very attractive to me to see it because I can unblock somebody really fast and it will add also sometimes the business context. Maybe it's a very important bug. So I'll jump on that first. When somebody reviewed my changes, I'm going to get a message just for me. I say, hey, somebody like just gave you comments and now I can review the PR and react to it. So that's one use case. The other use case, sometimes like a developer, I remember like when I was fixing bugs fast, I would just issue a PR and release it to production fast. And then all of a sudden my team leader would come, hey, you didn't open a Jira ticket about it. And like, there's always like, or the project manager. And that's it, even if they remember, but, and the Jira data is important because it shows a lot of like the things that we talked about, planning accuracy and all of that. But if the data integrity there is low, because there's no, we also took liberty and found that like 30 to 35% of the branches don't have like a Jira ticket related to them. So what WorkerB will do for me, it will just say, hey, Ori, you forgot to open a Jira ticket. Let me do that for you. And I'm just clicking one click and it does all of that for me. So as a developer, it just saved me all of the like logging into Jira, opening a ticket, just, a thing that will take me 10 minutes and I do probably, I don't know, 10 to 15 times a day. It just saved me so much time. So I'm happy as a developer and WorkerB is for developers, but also like my manager is probably happy because data is now has higher integrity and the reports are like reflecting more the reality.